Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Masturina binti Muhammad Zainuddin and today I will be explaining one question regarding the planning process. Okay, before we go to the question, first we must know what is planning. So basically planning is the second step of the system development life cycle SDLC, which is to set the project goals and determine a high level plan on how to do a certain project. There are two types of planning techniques. The first one being the program evaluation and review techniques, PERT, and the second one being the Gantt. In easy word, Gantt chart is a bar chart with a project activities, and for each activity, a bar is drawn. Usually, this chart is only used in simple project because this chart does not show the relationship among various project activities. However, for a more complex project, PERT chart is only used because all the activities are connected and we can see a more clear view on the project. Okay, done for the introduction. So now we can go to the question. As a project planner, Mrs. Jane was asked by her client, Bling Bookstore, to set up a new system to manage the company's product. The following are the steps that was taken by Mrs. Jane to set up the new system. As we can see, the list of activities are shown on the left side. And the activities are identify problems, observe the company, gather information, discuss the requirement with the client, prepare system proposal, acquire the client's approval, complete the proposal, and last but not least, build the system. The table also shows the previous activity and the duration for each activities. Okay, so the first question is based on the table, construct a critical path method CPM diagram. Okay, so first of all, we must put all the activities in order. So based on the table, activity A and B are the first one. Okay, after activity A is activity C, and after the activity B is activity D. After both activity C and D is activity E. Okay, after that, E goes to F and F goes to G. E also goes to G and last, G goes to H. So now, we want to know how to fill in the numbers for each box. Okay, the first thing we can do is by filling in the green box. For the green box, just fill in the duration as provided in the question. After the green box, now we can move on to the blue and orange box. Okay, so for the blue box, we have to start in the beginning. And since A and B are our first activity, we must put 0 on both of the activities. Next, to get the orange box, the blue box must add to the green box to get orange. For example, activity B, 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Okay, so after that, the orange box of the previous activity will be brought to the next activity in the blue box. Okay, but if there are two orange box went to one activity, we just choose only the highest number. Okay, so now moving on to the purple box. Okay, so for the purple box, we have to start at the last activity, which in this case is hash. Okay, since I don't have enough time, I'll just list all the activity for the next step. Okay, so for the next question, how much time does it take to finish the system? Okay, so based on the CPM, the answer is 43 weeks. Okay, the next question is state the activities that are in critical line. Why? Okay, so based on the CPM, only activity D is in critical line because this activity cannot be delayed. Okay, so for the last question, identify the activities which have slack. So the answer is every activity has slack except for activity D. Okay, so I think that's all from me. So thank you for watching. Bye.